Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is May 18th when I'm recording this, and yeah, we've got some activity going on in the market. So yeah, there's a fair amount to talk about, but we will get into that in the weekly video for the Moxie subscribers. But for today, yeah, I figured I'd talk to you guys. We have a very, very nice weather going on up here in Washington. So this is my wife Jackie, and overlooking our balcony. And look at this happy hour that she put together. So really, really good stuff. And yeah, we're going to go out wake surfing this weekend. So we'll be doing some work on the boat, get that in the water, and having a great time. As always, remember that there's a $7 trial for 30 days for the Moxie Indicator Mastery, which is the trading room that I do. And yeah, otherwise, if you guys like the market or the way that I talk about the market and the Moxie Indicator, you know, come on over to simplertrading.com/Moxie and you guys can pick it up that way. All right, so yeah, check this out. What do we got? So we've been having this little bit of a pennant in through here, and the market is breaking out of it. So we will have to see if this actually supports and continues. All of this apparently was because of the whole debt ceiling situation, because I guess the news was yesterday Kevin McCarthy came out and said he's hopeful about a agreement or resolution or deal or something like that by Sunday. So the market jumped up on that news. Well, we knew something was going to happen. You know, there was a squeeze here and even a squeeze here. So lots of squeezes. And, you know, we were kind of coming to the conclusion yesterday, even before it started to move, that, you know what, despite the internals and despite the cumulative AD lines and all that kind of stuff, the bears kind of had their opportunity. If this thing was going to go down, it had ample opportunity to really break apart, and it just couldn't. So we needed to be careful out there, especially on the short side. And so I was taking off my short positions and starting to, you know, be aware of a long. And then pretty much as soon as I was in the options room in the Moxie room talking about it, and it was just starting to break out right there. And I was like, well, looks like we're going to get going on this, and it looks like we'll be going to the upside. Now you can see I have a yellow line here. And you can see I've got this white line here. 415 has been a big resistance area. So we just need to make sure that this is not a pop and flop or a buy the rumor, sell the news type situation. So we're going to be looking for follow through over the next few days, maybe even next week, since today is Thursday. All right, hope you guys are doing well out there, and we'll see you next week. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.